Hi everybody, it's me Sissy, and today I've got a Dollar Tree haul for you. I've got a bunch of stuff, so let's just get right to it. Let's start with my favorite thing that I found. It was this cute little sign that says Farmer's Market. Now this is going to go right in my kitchen. I just love this. I have all kind of country stuff in my kitchen, but I just think that's so cute. So I got that for me. I think everything I got was for me, but I'm going to say it was for Christmas. I got another one of these little metal and burlap signs that says thankful, grateful, and blessed. I'm going to show y'all how I have these displayed. I have a little cubby cubicle thing with the little baskets in it, and these fit right into the slots. So I'll show that to you in a clip at the end of this video. Then I got some of the pillar candles. I think I got 4 of these. These are great for all your Christmas DIYs and Christmas decorations, and they stay lit a long time. I got one of these new Yes to Cucumber Soothing, Calming Sleeping Mask. It's supposed to calm and soothe your skin so you can honestly say you woke up this way. Yeah, that would be great. A lot of work goes into looking this way. You would think it was easy, but not really. And then I found this cute little wine stopper. I haven't ever seen these before, but it says my favorite drink is the next one, so I got that. They had several different kinds, and I had all of them, and then I said, no, I don't need but one, and I put them all back, so I am getting better at it. And then I got 2 cute little snow globes, Hope with Santa Claus in it, and then I got a snowman, or is this Santa Claus too? Oh, this is an elf that says joy. So that was so cute. I just love those. And, oh, they had all these great little towels. And I think I'm going to take these towels and make little throw pillows for my couch. So I got Santa Claus, the one with all the joy and holidays and all the Christmas sayings on it, let it snow, and then one that says jingle bells, and then one with the snowman on it. So I'm going to just kind of, just sew them along the seams and put some stuffing in them, and I'll show them to you when I get through with them. And then I got 2 of the little door hanger jingle bells. I put these on my door at work, at my office, so people, when they come in, they can't sneak up on me. They kind of jingle and I know they're there. So, and a bag of faux snow. So I live in the South, and this is probably as close to snow as I'm going to get for Christmas. And I got this great bucket that looks like Santa's belt. I got a little tabletop Christmas tree, a live tree, but I'm going to put it in this bucket. I think that'll be real cute. I'll show that to y'all too. So. And then before I found the bucket, I had got this little tree skirt, but I'll try to use this some other way. I think it's 38 inches, and it's cute Santa on it, so I might be able to make something out of that. We'll see. And, oh, these adorable little clips with the red bird and the pine cone and the berries. I got 2 of those. Those are so cute. And some sparkles. I had to get my sparkles, red sparkles, and use them in something. I just don't know what it is yet. And then some more sparkly pine cones. And more sparkly pine cones. I think I'm going to incorporate these into a wreath or a wall hanging for the front door. Then I got this little skinny garland, red garland. This is for my actual Christmas tree that's going to be in my living room, because I just do a tabletop tree because I have 4 dogs and I just didn't feel like dealing with dogs in a tree. So, oh, and then I got this cute little wooden sign that says Hello Sunshine. This is cute. It's going to go on my bookshelf at work. And score, I had to go 45 miles away to another Dollar Tree to find this, but it's the Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas red truck plate, Cookies for Santa. This sticker does peel off, but I got that. It's so cute. I'm going to actually got one of these little easels. A little easel. I'm going to just kind of put that and display it. I'm not really going to put cookies on it for Santa, because I think Santa has become low carb or vegetarian. So. But, and then I got, this is a good thing if you have bags or you know, like your chips or things like that. These are the best clips to get for the bags. They're solid metal coated in plastic. They don't break like the plastic ones, so I love those. And I got me some Christmas socks with Santa Claus on them. I thought these would be cute. I got some high boots, and these will come up past the boots, so if I can get them up my big old leg, but I'll try and we'll see. And I think, I got this cute little sign that says "Work That Crown," but I've got a DIY. I'm working on it. I think it's going to work. When I get all this cleaned up, I am going to film that video, and I promise you, you're going to see this one. But it uses this, but it doesn't look anything like this when I get through with it. So stay tuned for that. And it involves this dollhouse furniture, which is the miniature dollhouse furniture. And I got several different kinds because I didn't know which one was going to work the best. Those are cute. And whatever I don't use, I'll donate Toys for Tots or put in the collection bin. Then I got some of the gold floral wire. This is for a DIY that I saw on Pinterest, and I'm going to try it, which y'all may never see. And toilet paper, you can never have enough. And some of my basic cleaning stuff. I got the Tile Plus foaming cleaner with bleach, the awesome LA Awesome orange because it smells so good, and of course my Carpet Fresh because of my puppies. I get the Pet Fresh. It really does take the pet stains out. And let me tell you, the best thing I did in my living room, I have a rug under my coffee table, and for some reason my dogs, even though they're housebroken, they think that's where they're supposed to pee-pee. And it was just ruining the rug. I put spray and they kept doing it anyway. Well, I finally bought an indoor-outdoor rug, and they pee on it, and I clean it up, and it's gone, and it doesn't stain the rug, and it's the greatest thing. If you have a dog, get an indoor-outdoor rug. Waterproof is great. I love it. Then I got these, that has nothing to do with Dollar Tree, but anyway. I got 3 frames, 5x7 and 3.5 by 5s, and I got a new Cricut. So I'm going to be making some decals and things, and I'm going to be using this with some decals for some Christmas decor, and I hope to have that up here as soon as I get the Cricut unboxed and see if I can remember how to use one. And then I got some Kleenex because it is cold and flu season, and everybody around here is sniffling and sneezing and hacking and coughing, so I got that. And just a few more things, I got this gorgeous Christmas bag. And I know when everybody looks at that, they see the train and they see the snowman, but all I see is the puppy dog, so I had to get it. And I'm going to try to decoupage it and distress it onto a canvas and make a little wall hanging, so I'll let you know how that turns out. And then I got this beautiful red charger plate, which hopefully is going to be a DIY. So I got a lot of stuff planned. I hope I make it. I hope I get to it. And I hope you get to see it. And then I got some of these chopping mats. These are great. I love these. It's good to use under your glue gun, as a little work surface, as a chopping mat. And then I have a DIY that's going to involve this too. So, but anyway, that's my quick little Dollar Tree haul. I hope I'm right back with some DIYs for y'all and some Christmas decor. And I want to thank everybody who subscribed to my channel, because now I have reached 2,000 subscribers, somewhere I thought I would never be. But thank you all for subscribing. I hope you enjoy the channel, and don't mind my rambling so much. But anyway, y'all have a great day. Remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. Bye, y'all. Happy holidays and Merry, Merry Christmas.